everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so today I wanted to hop on here and say hello to everybody. How are you doing today? Leave me comments of what you're working on. I know a lot of you are frantically trying to finish your Christmas projects, so let me see them in the comments below. It is so frigid cold here in Wisconsin. It's like negative 20 degrees, or what it feels like outside, so I am trying to stay warm and bundling up. I'm so cold, but we're trying to stay warm and we are staying indoors all day, and I will be having my crochet hook in hand very soon. But today I wanted to say hi real quick and give you a little bit of an update. There are a few things, little announcements I want to share with you. So one exciting thing is that I just finished all my Christmas shopping, so I'm really excited about that. We are done and I cannot wait for Nasser's first Christmas this year. It is so exciting, and he'll get some gifts to rip open on Christmas morning, so I'm really excited about that. This holiday I am doing the Celebrate the Holidays event, collaborating with Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Check out her page, check out her website, get information about this Celebrate the Holidays event. She is releasing or sharing a lot of designers' crochet patterns for free as free PDF downloads, and this Friday, the 13th, it is my day to share Free Pattern Friday. So this Friday, the 13th of December, I'm going to be sharing one of my crochet patterns. Even though my patterns are free on my website and free through the YouTube videos, I do sell my patterns on Etsy and Ravelry for a small amount, but this Friday, one of my patterns you will be able to download and keep forever in your device for free this Friday. So, and it's a 24-hour thing, so you have to jump on it Friday and it ends Saturday. So make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter, subscribe to Nikki's newsletter. We'll put links in the description of this video so you can find where to sign up to get the notification. You can also be sure to like my page on Facebook, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll share it on my social medias as well, so you'll be able to jump on this great deal this Friday. And Nikki is doing the holiday event, the Celebrate the Holidays event, where she is sharing a bunch of different designers' patterns, one a day for, I think it's like 15 days or so, and she's sharing those patterns where you can download them, save them forever, and there's so many wonderful designers who are part of this event, and I am one of them, so I'm really excited to share a free pattern with everybody this Friday. So make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter. I will put a link in the description of this video so you can sign up there. And that will be this month's Free Pattern Friday. Every month, for one Friday each month, I will be hosting a Free Pattern Friday, and this month so happens to be this Friday, the 13th. And we are almost done. Tomorrow is the last day for the 12 days of Christmas, so we are almost done with that. I released a new pattern and new video. Well, most of them were videos, but some of them were photo tutorials or just blogs of different quick and easy crochet crafts that you can make just in time for the holiday and spice up your home, give them as gifts. I had a centerpiece the other day. Yesterday I shared buffalo plaid coasters. Today I'm sharing a door piece, kind of similar to like a wreath, but it's not a wreath, but it's a door hanging. And then I have a really cute one for tomorrow, and yes, Nasser is a part of it, so make sure you do not miss tomorrow's last day pattern. I'm saving the best for last. Nasser is so cute in his holiday pictures. So that's for tomorrow, and then we're done with the 12 days of Christmas. It was a lot of fun, and I had enjoyed every single pattern every single day and sharing them with all of you. It was so wonderful. And I have a lot of new patterns and new projects for the new year. I think I'm going to probably end up taking the rest of this month off. I have a few projects that I want to finish as gifts just little extra pieces for different gift ideas that I have. But I've had this one project in my WIP bag forever. I'll just show you a piece of it. It's not done. I've had this in my WIP bag forever, and I just want to finish this and share a tutorial. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it is using Heat Wave yarn by Red Heart Yarns. It's so soft and just so warm, and I cannot wait to share this in the new year, hopefully, or maybe sooner if I can finish in time for the new year. But I have to work on that soon. So that's on my hook after all the 12 days of Christmas are uploaded and shared with everybody. And one last thing, I know this is a quick hi and bye kind of thing, but I've been so busy with my tutorials and I've been working hard for the holidays, so I wanted to mention the Would Be Fancy crochet hooks sale is ending on December 17th. That day is the day, if you order before the December 17th, you will have your crochet hooks in hand for the holidays and be able to gift them or open them on Christmas Day. So I will share a link to the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy. These crochet hooks have been flying off the shelves. You guys are so awesome and wonderful and supporting small business this holiday season, which is so fabulous. They are hand-carved, ergonomic, wooden-handled crochet hooks. I'm trying to find if I have one in my bag here. I do. Here's one. They are so fabulous. Oh my gosh. They are ergonomic, hand-carved wooden handles. These are very lightweight. They are not too bulky. They work really well, especially when you're crocheting for a really long period of time. These are wonderful. I cannot rave about them enough. They're, like I said, lightweight and ergonomic. You can hold your hook like I do. I hold my hook this way, but also a lot of people hold their hook like this, like a pen, and it is so easy to use. It fits right in the creases and crevices of your hand, and the hooks, I mean, right in the palm there. It's just wonderful. Also, there's right-handed hooks, left-handed hooks. There's international shipping. I know I say this a lot in my videos, but this sale is so wonderful. It's the last sale of the year, and they are going off the shelves so fast. I love these hooks so much. You should get one. Shop Would Be Fancy on Etsy. I will put the link in the description of this video so you can get those. And thank you to everybody who has supported the Would Be Fancy shop. If you don't know the Would Be Fancy story, I will also link that story in the video or in the tutorial. What am I trying to say? In the description. There is a Would Be Fancy story that I blogged about a little while ago, and it shows the story behind Would Be Fancy and why my dad made these hooks. They are so fabulous, and he is just amazing in his woodworking, so I highly recommend you support his Would Be Fancy shop. And yeah, that was all I really wanted to say today. I know it was quick and easy, but just make sure you're signed up for my newsletter. Shop at Would Be Fancy, get your crochet hooks, your favorite hook, and there's boy hooks, there's Bates hooks. You can just choose your favorite one, and they're fixed in there, so they can't be interchangeable or anything. So just make sure you choose your most favorite hook to put in the handle, and he has custom orders and everything like that too. And yeah, make sure to check out my free pattern Friday this Friday. I'm so excited about that. This Friday, the 13th, is Nasser's 6-month. He's 6 months old. Oh my gosh. He, yeah, these past 6 months have gone really fast, and he's growing so big, and he's just so wonderful. I can't say it enough every week, and I just love that I can share with everybody here about Nasser. He's so wonderful. So we are going to enjoy the holidays and try to stay warm. So I will see you next week. Happy weekend, happy Wednesday, and happy hooking. Bye!